Hello friends, welcome to my channel DXB Tech 4. Today I am gonna show you how to create spot layer for the white. So first I will open the file. Suppose this file I will work on it. This is layer file. Okay, I will select this area where I want to print white color. In this area I will print white color, not full image white. I will print just selection. So first I will select the area. See, I select the area where I want to print the white color. So on this watch, just I will create the layer for the white. Under this watch I will print white. The important thing is, sometime you will feel the white visible outside of the color, outside visible. So for avoiding these things, because sometime it's very hard to handle the white color. White color sometime going out from this side, from the top, from the bottom. So solve this issue, I'm gonna show you how to solve. Go to select, modify, contract. So you will see this selection will be reduced after give the contract selection. So I will give 3 now. So you notice that. See, now the selection already reduced, not outside. Before it was outside, but now it is inside. So after printing you will notice the white already in. After selection, go to channel, new spot channel. In the channel, create new spot channel. You can give any color, whatever you like. Okay, I will give black, or okay, red this time. Okay, I will give the 100% opacity. Okay, so now I have this one, spot layer. Which is, I change the name spot 1. You can give more spot layer according to your printer or RIP software. Some people's giving 2 spot layer for the white and 2 for the varnish. It is depend on the ripping software driver, how many spots layer supported. So for the double layer we will do just duplicate layer, spot 1 and spot 2. Why I am giving this name spot underscore 1 or 2? Photo print will read automatically if I will give this name spot underscore 2, spot 1 or 2. Photo print will read automatically if I will save the file as a PDF. Okay, now I have 2 spot layer. According to your printer you can give 1 or 2, it is up to you. It is support on your ripping software. Now you will see where is showing the red area, it will be white area. This is the white area which is showing the red color. You can give any color, but it will print the white because it is spot layer. So automatically software will detect the spot channel. Now I am gonna save this file, save as PDF. I will give the name test PDF, save. Okay, save. it is safe. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel.